Every Adobe Illustrator, Part 6.
The Paint Brush tool. Shortcut is the letter B. Click and drag to create a smooth path, more like a hand-drawn style. Holding Alt after you start dragging the mouse will create a closed path. Press the square bracket keys to change the brush size. The Blob Brush tool. Shortcut is Shift B. Click and drag to create a filled, compound path. New paths will merge with existing ones of the same appearance if they touch each other. Press the square bracket keys to change the brush size.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.